Welcome to HTA TV. What happened in the markets this week, Reed? I want to talk about a few things. Oil was one of the ones. I had that on my watch list a few weeks ago, man, and that thing had a
Bullish or
runner.
bearish?
I was bullish on
Okay,
it.
I got you.
I was bullish on it. Now it's about $90 per barrel. I was looking at it when it was like 80 or 82.
So it
So it was a nice
kind
run
of missed a run. Okay.
lately. Oil went up. I think there was some underlying fundamentals there because of the BRICS. Of course, the oil producing countries there, but a lot of other, I think, bigger firms out there, they're putting a higher price on oil as far as the demand, even though, a lot of the news is saying we're going electric and they're banning gas.
We're still gonna
gas,
need
gas.
oil though. I think
The
oil is
world
important.
needs
Yeah, the world needs oil. Like everything is made out of oil or uses
supply and
oil in
demand.
some way. Yeah.
Supply and demand. I feel like demand is gonna be rising. Therefore, expect some higher prices at the gas pump, guys. I mean, now like it affects you. You get Tesla,
Yeah.
bruh.
But I mean, even with electric, it still takes oil.
True.
It still takes
For the
oil.
power companies, right?
Yeah.
Right. So oil went up this week. Let's go to the next one. Tech stocks.
Give me an update on tech stocks.
Tech stocks. So Apple, let's talk about Apple real quick. Of course, they're just banging new highs. What, almost 3 trillion valuation right now in the company? But lately, they got wiped off of 200 billion in value at the beginning, since the beginning of August. Yeah, they've been on a drawdown. Do you know where they're trading at currently?
In June, so June, Apple creates an all-time high.
Yep.
It goes up for 2 more months, June through July. Quite literally, August 1st is the first bearish engulfing, or August 2nd, start of the month.
Technical traders, bearish engulfing.
Bearish engulfing, closes below key lines, key EMAs, and then it goes on this a quick bear run. Overall bull trend, but bear run.
Yeah.
It hits that key level, pops back up in towards the end of August, right?
Recovering
again. September hits, right at the beginning and first week of September. We're talking, September 5th, right? It tanks. Like September 6th is really September 5th. It creates like this indecisive price action.
Yeah.
The following day, September 6th, like a few days ago.
Yeah.
It tanks, man.
Tanks.
What is the price? Yeah, we're ending the week at 178. So at the high, it was at 196, almost 200.
Yeah.
Actually at the highest, it did hit 198.
But
now we are at 178.
178 on the close.
Yeah.
So $20 from the high.
$20 from the high. I am bearish right now. I mean, just specifically looking at these technicals, could be coming down.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's where that. How many billion or trillion?
200 billion.
200 billion.
And market value got lost because of that recent bearish move.
Yeah.
Of course, if you trade the indices like Nasdaq, it is representing the tech stocks in the US, and Apple is a big influence there. So yeah, it's been reflecting similar price action. It's been on the downturn. So if you are a trader for Nasdaq, you can make. You have opportunities for that, but also I'm just staying out on the sidelines right now.
Gotcha.
Waiting for dust to settle, whatever they have to be. I think the upcoming this month, I don't know exact date, FOMC, the Fed's meeting, and talk about rising rates again. So that's another big one to be watching out this coming month.
So with this Apple, will it affect the dollar? Like, what do you think?
Well, let's talk about the dollar. Let's talk about the Dixie, the dollar index. We are currently at 105.06 from a low at 104 on the trading day. Year to date, the Dixie is on a bullish run. It's been bullish.
We're looking at the daily right now, and I mean it is a solid bullish trend right now.
Yeah.
I mean since July.
Since July?
So we're kind of seeing this correlation, right? Dollar goes up, Apple makes the all-time high June through July.
Yeah.
So since July, it's been going up, but August, right? That's when we notice Apple tanks, Nasdaq tanks, starting August, September. But dollar's been rising, man. Dollar looks strong. So like,
right.
shouldn't be panicking.
This is the thing, though. Like, this is why I'm not a fundamental trader, right? You got the
Yeah.
G7 countries,
Yeah.
U.S., U.K. You got the BRICS, right? They just added Saudi Arabia and all that, a few other countries to, I think, Dubai, in their group of in BRICS, and they said we're not going to use the U.S. dollar to trade for oil. And I would think, okay, yeah, USD is tanking, but it's opposite, guys. It's opposite. You know, that piece of news would have me bearish as a fundamental trader, but obviously the technicals, the price action is showing that it's been on a run.
I mean, March of this year, 2023, it was at 105.704, and we're at 105.56 or
Almost at the
0.56.
recent
So we're
high.
almost at the most recent high of 2023. You know, very bullish in my opinion.
Very bullish.
So we're in a bull trend. I mean,
Yeah. Strong dollar.
Yeah, strong
Good for
dollar.
us.
Good for us. Yeah.
Good for us, right? Let's go into the other alternative of the crypto space.
Okay.
Bitcoin.
The gold standard of crypto.
Yes.
So with Bitcoin, we're currently at 25,863, 25,863. Bitcoin's been kind of challenging as well, but we're seeing similar movement, right, with our certain cycles. June, we see a pop, the most recent bullish pop. Throughout July, it kind of consolidates, but it maintains that bullish consolidation. It's still bullish, kind of ticking up, and then falls back down when? August. So just very similar to Apple. It's just a little delayed. So Apple, you know, we talked about August 2nd is when it popped down or dropped down, tanked down.
Yeah.
Now we're about a week and a half later. In August 16th, we see Bitcoin dropping. So there is a little delayed reaction there, but currently we're in a bearish consolidation, right? So interesting. I mean, like, this is why I love the market, because Dixie is showing bullish strength. Bitcoin at a time, whenever the dollar moved, Bitcoin would move, you know, create some strength there, or like, you know, when dollar would go down, Bitcoin would pop up or something, especially like during 2019, 2020 COVID era. And but now we're just really seeing bearish consolidation. In my opinion, we're in a bearish trend right now, or bearish run.
Yeah.
It could continue to go down.
Yeah.
As far as my immediate technical analysis goes.
Yeah. I mean, it's not screaming at us where we need to go in and trade, you know, just very choppy for me. Very, very choppy. Lastly, the Euro, bro.
Euro USD.
Euro USD
Euro
currently
USD.
trading 1.07 I got on the close.
Okay. So
you got a little different. 1.69.
Yeah, so I got 1.069. And it looks, I'm looking at the daily right off the bat. We've been in a bearish run, a long bearish, well, pretty much trend now. This is 3 months. So since July 20th is when it started its bear run. Run goes long enough, it's a trend.
Yeah.
I want to say right now we're in a bear trend. From July all the way till September, just dropping.
When was the last time we were at this level?
Last time we were at this level was May.
We were
2023.
May lows.
Touching May lows. The thing about the May lows, the EMAs had that support. Right now, we're not seeing any support of, really, we only have this line in the sand that's a support level of 106.
Yeah.
1.06. And I don't know, very bearish possibility this goes down more.
Yeah. So that was what was happening this week in the markets. Let's talk about that, though. Let's bring it back to our trading, Reid.
Yeah, our own trading.
How was your trading week this week?
So this week was tough, man. I did miss opportunities on GU. I took a loss on GU, took a loss on EJ, and took 3 losses.
Yep.
1 win. Essentially, I'm really in a drawdown right now. So, I mean, it is what it is. Just a tough week. Tough weeks happen in trading. It's all right, you know. I'm just going to analyze what went right, what went wrong, and move on from there. How about you, man? How'd your week go?
Same. I got stopped out on a few positions in the Euro Yen and the NAS. I think Monday, Tuesday. Oh no, Monday was a holiday.
Right.
Yeah,
Labor
see,
Day.
Labor
Labor
Day.
Day
See
weekend.
these weird the Mondays off. You know,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
4 day week.
We don't want Mondays off.
We don't want that. So that screwed me. Well, I'm not making excuses. That was a challenge. So
Yeah.
Tuesday, Wednesday, I took losses. I think Thursday too on that. Right now, I just got a new signal to enter in before the market closed today on Friday.
So you're in
EJ right
okay,
now.
gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah, so overall this week, less than 1% drawdown, I think. It's a good, just take a break, refresh. Mentally, I'm good and just waiting for the next opportunity, man. You just gotta kind of brush off the dust from being knocked down a few times. But
Yeah.
other than that, man, I think I'm looking forward to the rest of this month. I think it's gonna be a good volatile month. Lots of action in all the different um, markets and pairs, and I think there's going to be a lot of opportunity.
Absolutely, yes. September is going to be a good one. Usually, towards the end of the year is when we see a lot of runs, right? End of the year will could make your whole year.
Oh yeah, that's right. We got September, October, November. December.
Yeah, it's really slow and usually December. There are opportunities.
They got the
but
Santa Rally, they call it. I
Yeah.
remember last year,
Right,
Santa
right.
Rally. So you gotta watch out for that. Yeah, you're gonna be trading long pumpkin spice in November, October.
Yeah, pumpkin farms.
Long that
Yeah,
commodity. But yeah, I mean that's a recap on this week in September, the beginning of September, guys. Hope you guys found some valuable information. We'll be trying to make this frequent update, from HTA on HTA TV here.